What if the quality of your eyesight tomorrow morning depended on what you eat tonight? Most people focus on glasses, eye drops, or supplements, yet they ignore the most powerful time for eye healing: sleep. During the night, your body enters repair mode. Cells regenerate, inflammation reduces, and delicate tissues, especially in the eyes, recover from the stress of screens, sunlight, and aging. If you truly care about protecting your vision, reducing eye strain, and supporting long-term eye health, you need to understand how food before sleep plays a crucial role. Stay with me because one simple fruit eaten at night can quietly support your eyes in ways most people never imagine. Your eyes are among the most metabolically active organs in the body. They consume a large amount of oxygen and are constantly exposed to oxidative stress. Blue light, pollution, poor circulation, and blood sugar fluctuations silently damage the retina over time. This is why many people notice worsening night vision, dry eyes, blurry focus, or eye fatigue as they age. The good news is that the body has a built-in defense system, but it needs the right nutrients at the right time to function properly. There is one fruit that stands out because of its unique combination of eye protective compounds, and it works especially well when eaten before sleep. This fruit is rich in anthocyanins, natural pigments responsible for deep red, purple, or blue colors. These compounds are powerful antioxidants that help protect the retina from oxidative damage. They support the tiny blood vessels that supply oxygen and nutrients to the eyes, improving circulation while you rest. This fruit also contains vitamin C, vitamin A precursors, and natural polyphenols that reduce inflammation. At night, these nutrients help calm eye tissues irritated by long hours of reading, driving, or screen exposure. Better circulation means better delivery of oxygen to the optic nerve and retina, which is essential for maintaining sharp vision and reducing eye strain. Another reason this fruit is ideal before sleep is its effect on blood sugar. Unlike sugary desserts or refined snacks, it has a low to moderate glycemic impact. Stable blood sugar at night is critical for eye health because spikes in glucose can damage small blood vessels over time, including those in the eyes. By choosing this fruit instead of processed snacks, you protect your vision while also supporting overall metabolic health. Sleep itself is deeply connected to eye function. During deep sleep, the eyes rehydrate, intraocular pressure balances, and cellular waste is cleared. Certain natural compounds in this fruit support melatonin balance, helping you fall asleep more easily. Better sleep means better eye repair. It's a quiet cycle of healing that builds night after night. Over time, consistently eating this fruit before sleep may help reduce dryness, improve night vision, support visual sharpness, and protect against age-related eye changes. It is not a miracle cure, but it is a powerful habit. Simple, natural, and effective when combined with quality sleep and overall healthy living. The real takeaway is this: eye health is not just about what you do during the day, it's about what you give your body at night. When you nourish your eyes before sleep, you allow nature to do what it does best: repair, restore, and protect. If you want clearer vision, less eye fatigue, and long-term eye resilience, start paying attention to your nighttime choices. Sometimes, the smallest habit before bed can make the biggest difference in how you see the world tomorrow. Nighttime nutrition directly affects eye repair and visual clarity in ways most people rarely consider. While the eyes are constantly working throughout the day, adjusting to light, focusing on screens, and processing visual information, it is during sleep that true restoration begins. The body shifts into repair mode at night, and the eyes, being delicate and highly active organs, rely heavily on the availability of the right nutrients to heal and maintain optimal function. During sleep, blood flow is redistributed to support tissue repair and cellular regeneration. The eyes use this time to restore the retina, rebalance fluid levels, and clear metabolic waste that accumulates from daily visual stress. If the body lacks essential nutrients before sleep, this repair process becomes less efficient. Over time, this can lead to symptoms such as eye fatigue, dryness, blurred vision, and reduced night vision, especially as we age. Antioxidants consumed in the evening play a particularly important role. Throughout the day, the eyes are exposed to oxidative stress caused by blue light, sunlight, pollution, and inflammation. At night, antioxidants help neutralize free radicals that damage retinal cells and blood vessels. Nutrients such as vitamin C, beta-carotene, lutein, and anthocyanins support the integrity of the retina and protect the macula, which is essential for sharp central vision. Nighttime nutrition also influences blood sugar stability, which is critical for eye health. Large spikes in blood glucose before bed can impair circulation and damage tiny blood vessels in the eyes. Consistently elevated blood sugar is linked to long-term vision problems. Choosing whole, nutrient-dense foods in the evening helps maintain steady glucose levels, ensuring that the eyes receive a continuous and healthy supply of oxygen and nutrients during sleep. Hydration and mineral balance at night affect eye comfort as well. Electrolytes and trace minerals support tear production and prevent dryness. When the body is properly nourished before sleep, the eyes wake up feeling less irritated and more refreshed. This is especially important for people who experience morning eye strain or sensitivity to light. Sleep quality itself is closely connected to nutrition. Certain nutrients support the body's natural sleep rhythms, allowing deeper and more restorative rest. Better sleep means longer periods of eye repair and reduced inflammation. When sleep is poor, the eyes do not fully recover, leading to cumulative damage over time. In essence, what you eat at night quietly shapes how well your eyes heal, adapt, and perform. Nighttime nutrition is not about heavy meals or indulgence, but about providing the body with the tools it needs to restore vision from the inside out. When nourishing choices become a habit before sleep, visual clarity and long-term eye health naturally follow. One specific fruit supports retinal health while you sleep by working in harmony with the body's natural nighttime repair processes. The retina is one of the most delicate and hard-working tissues in the body. It constantly converts light into neural signals, allowing you to see clearly, adjust to darkness, and perceive fine detail. Because of this intense activity, retinal cells are especially vulnerable to oxidative stress, inflammation, and reduced blood flow. Nighttime is when the body attempts to repair this damage, and the nutrients you provide before sleep can significantly influence how well that repair occurs. This fruit is naturally rich in deep-colored pigments known as anthocyanins. These compounds are powerful antioxidants that help protect retinal cells from oxidative damage caused by light exposure and environmental stress during the day. While you sleep, anthocyanins support the regeneration of rhodopsin, a visual pigment in the retina that is essential for low light and night vision. By aiding this process, the fruit helps maintain sharper vision and better visual adaptation over time. Another key benefit of this fruit lies in its ability to improve microcirculation. The retina depends on a dense network of tiny blood vessels to deliver oxygen and nutrients. Poor circulation can starve retinal cells, leading to fatigue and gradual vision decline. The natural compounds in this fruit help strengthen blood vessel walls and enhance blood flow, ensuring that the retina receives consistent nourishment throughout the night when repair is most active. Inflammation is another silent enemy of retinal health. Daily exposure to screens, artificial lighting, and stress can trigger low-grade inflammation in eye tissues. When inflammation persists, it interferes with cellular repair and accelerates aging of the eyes. This fruit contains polyphenols that help calm inflammatory pathways, allowing the retina to rest and recover more efficiently during sleep. The fruit also supports stable blood sugar levels, which is crucial for protecting the retina. Sharp increases in blood glucose can damage the small blood vessels that supply the eyes. Eating a whole fruit with natural fiber before bed provides gentle nourishment without triggering harmful spikes. This creates a stable internal environment that allows retinal tissues to heal without additional metabolic stress. Sleep quality itself is subtly enhanced by this fruit. Certain natural compounds support relaxation and circadian balance, helping the body enter deeper stages of sleep. Deeper sleep translates to longer periods of retinal repair, improved waste removal, and reduced eye strain upon waking. Over time, making this fruit part of your nighttime routine can contribute to clearer vision, reduced eye fatigue, and stronger retinal resilience. It is a simple habit, yet it works quietly each night, supporting the eyes from within while you rest, restore, and prepare for the next day. Powerful antioxidants protect eyes from age-related damage by defending some of the most delicate and vulnerable tissues in the body. As we grow older, the eyes naturally face increasing stress from years of light exposure, environmental toxins, poor circulation, and inflammation. These factors generate unstable molecules known as free radicals, which gradually damage retinal cells, blood vessels, and the lens of the eye. Antioxidants act as a protective shield, neutralizing these harmful molecules and slowing the progression of visual decline. The eyes are especially susceptible to oxidative stress because they are constantly exposed to light and require a high level of oxygen to function. This combination makes eye tissues prone to cellular wear and tear over time. Antioxidants such as vitamin C, vitamin E, beta-carotene, lutein, zeaxanthin, and anthocyanins help counteract this process. They stabilize free radicals before they can damage DNA, proteins, and cell membranes within the eye. One of the most critical areas antioxidants protect is the retina. The retina plays a central role in vision, yet it has limited regenerative capacity. Oxidative damage to retinal cells is strongly linked to age-related vision issues such as reduced sharpness, poor night vision, and increased sensitivity to glare. Antioxidants help preserve retinal integrity by reducing inflammation and supporting healthy cellular function, particularly during periods of rest and repair, such as sleep. Antioxidants also protect the lens of the eye. Over time, oxidative stress contributes to clouding of the lens, which interferes with clear vision. By neutralizing free radicals, antioxidants help maintain lens transparency and flexibility. This protection is essential for preserving clarity and reducing the risk of age-related visual impairment. Another crucial benefit of antioxidants is their effect on blood vessels. The eyes rely on an intricate network of tiny vessels to deliver oxygen and nutrients. Oxidative damage can weaken these vessels, reducing circulation and starving eye tissues. Antioxidants strengthen vessel walls, improve blood flow, and reduce the risk of microvascular damage that often accompanies aging. Inflammation is a major contributor to age-related eye damage, and antioxidants play a key role in controlling it. Chronic low-level inflammation accelerates tissue breakdown and interferes with normal repair mechanisms. By calming inflammatory pathways, antioxidants allow the eyes to heal more efficiently and maintain comfort, reducing dryness, irritation, and fatigue. Consistent antioxidant intake becomes more important with age because the body's natural defense systems weaken over time. Providing the eyes with antioxidant-rich nutrition supports long-term visual health and resilience. Rather than acting as a quick fix, antioxidants work quietly and continuously, protecting the eyes day and night. This ongoing protection helps preserve vision, maintain clarity, and slow the natural aging process of the eyes, allowing you to see more clearly for years to come. Natural compounds improve blood flow to the eyes overnight by supporting the delicate vascular system that keeps vision sharp and eye tissues nourished. The eyes depend on a dense network of tiny blood vessels to deliver oxygen and nutrients to the retina, optic nerve, and surrounding tissues. When circulation is compromised, these structures become deprived, leading to eye fatigue, blurred vision, dryness, and gradual decline in visual performance. Nighttime is when the body focuses on repair, making improved blood flow especially important during sleep. As the body rests, blood pressure naturally lowers and circulation shifts toward tissue restoration. Certain natural compounds help optimize this process by enhancing the flexibility of blood vessels and promoting healthy dilation. This allows blood to move more efficiently through the narrow capillaries that supply the eyes. Improved circulation ensures that retinal cells receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to repair daily damage caused by light exposure, screen use, and environmental stress. Flavonoids and polyphenols are among the most powerful natural compounds involved in this process. These plant-based molecules help strengthen blood vessel walls and protect them from oxidative damage. By reducing stiffness and inflammation in the vascular system, they support smoother blood flow to sensitive eye tissues throughout the night. Better circulation also means improved removal of metabolic waste, which helps reduce eye strain and supports clearer vision upon waking. Another important benefit of these natural compounds is their role in reducing inflammation. Inflammation can narrow blood vessels and restrict circulation, limiting the delivery of nutrients to the eyes. By calming inflammatory responses, these compounds allow vessels to relax and function more effectively. This creates an internal environment where the eyes can recover fully during sleep. Blood sugar balance also plays a role in nighttime eye circulation. Sudden spikes in glucose can damage small blood vessels and impair blood flow, especially in the eyes. Natural compounds found in whole foods help regulate glucose levels, preventing vascular stress and supporting steady circulation overnight. This protective effect is particularly important for preserving long-term eye health as the body ages. Improved blood flow during sleep also supports the optic nerve, which transmits visual information from the eyes to the brain. Adequate circulation ensures that the nerve remains well nourished and protected from degeneration. Over time, this contributes to better visual clarity, reduced eye fatigue, and improved adaptability to changes in light. Consistent nighttime support of blood flow allows the eyes to take full advantage of the body's natural healing rhythms. When circulation is optimized, repair processes work more efficiently, inflammation decreases, and visual comfort improves. Rather than acting instantly, these natural compounds quietly enhance eye health each night, building resilience over time. By supporting healthy blood flow while you sleep, they help preserve vision, protect delicate eye structures, and promote clearer, more comfortable eyesight for the future. Consistent nightly habits can slow vision decline and eye fatigue by working with the body's natural repair systems rather than against them. Vision loss and chronic eye strain rarely happen overnight. They develop gradually as small daily stresses accumulate without adequate recovery. Nighttime is the most important window for restoration, and the habits practiced before sleep determine how effectively the eyes heal, recharge, and protect themselves for the future. Throughout the day, the eyes are exposed to intense demands: screens, artificial lighting, glare, dry air, and constant focusing. These stresses lead to inflammation, oxidative damage, and reduced circulation in eye tissues. If the eyes are not given proper support at night, this damage compounds over time. Consistent nighttime routines create a predictable environment where the eyes can recover more fully, reducing fatigue and slowing age-related decline. One of the most powerful nightly habits is choosing the right nutrition before sleep. Whole, nutrient-dense foods provide antioxidants, vitamins, and plant compounds that support retinal repair and blood flow. When consumed consistently, these nutrients build up protective reserves in eye tissues. Over time, this reduces dryness, improves clarity, and strengthens resistance to daily visual stress. Irregular eating patterns or processed late-night snacks, on the other hand, disrupt circulation and increase inflammation, placing extra strain on the eyes. Sleep quality itself is a foundational habit. Deep, uninterrupted sleep allows the eyes to rebalance fluid levels, clear metabolic waste, and restore sensitive structures like the retina and optic nerve. Going to bed at inconsistent times or sacrificing sleep for screens shortens these repair phases. Over months and years, poor sleep habits accelerate eye fatigue and make vision problems more likely. Reducing light exposure before bed is another crucial practice. Bright and blue light delays melatonin release, interfering with sleep quality and eye recovery. Consistently dimming lights, avoiding screens, and creating a calm pre-sleep environment gives the eyes a break from constant stimulation. This simple habit reduces strain and supports smoother visual function the next day. Hydration and relaxation also play important roles. Mild dehydration can worsen dry eyes and discomfort, while stress increases muscle tension around the eyes. Nightly habits such as drinking adequate water earlier in the evening, gentle eye relaxation, or brief moments of calm breathing help relieve tension and improve comfort. The power of consistency cannot be overstated. Occasional healthy choices provide limited benefit, but repeated nightly habits compound over time. Just as daily strain gradually weakens vision, daily care gradually strengthens it. These small actions, practiced every night, create long-term protection. By honoring the body's natural rhythms and supporting the eyes when they are most receptive to healing, consistent nightly habits help preserve clarity, reduce fatigue, and slow the progression of vision decline. The eyes respond not to extremes but to steady care. Night after night, these habits quietly protect one of your most valuable senses.